Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Rachel. In this video, we'll be going over my husband and I's stock portfolio on our road to 100k invested. Before I get started, I just want to say thank you to everyone for the love that I have gotten this past 2 weeks. I'm so grateful. I do not take it for granted. On the screen here, I just want to give a special shout out to everyone that's dropped a comment on my last video. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch my videos and to comment. So here I'm logged into my husband's portfolio. I manage both. So once you log in, it welcomes you and shows you these three tabs here. The first tab here is if you want Wealthsimple to invest the money for you, so you don't really have to do much except fund the account, and then the robo-advisor would take care of the rest for you. This is the one we use where we put in the money and we also invest the money ourselves. And this last one is for taxes, to file your taxes. Filing season is coming around very soon, so we'll be using this one soon. So I'll just go straight to this one here and we'll just see what the stock market has for us. So here it tells you how much you have in the account. So for this account, we have $6,517.34 Canadian. And then if you scroll down here, the first tab here is personal. So we don't really have anything in personal right now just because we haven't maxed out any of these. These two are tax sheltered, while this one isn't. So let's go into the first account here, the RRSP. And the RRSP just stands for the Registered Retirement Savings Plan. In here, we have a total of $663.69. And we only have one position here, which is the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETFs. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. And this just means that rather than buying one stock of a company, you buy little portions of many companies. So it's like a basket of many different companies. And this has in it 500 of the top stocks in the US. And the price today here is $63.21. As you can see here, the all-time return for this fund here is 11.9%. So it's really down and it's a buying opportunity. Anytime you see that solid stocks are down, it's a time for you to buy because it just means that the stocks are on sale, right? So this is RRSP. Let's move on to the TFSA here. So for TFSA, we have $5,853.65. Let's check what positions we have for this one. Here we have Realcan. Realcan is a real estate investment trust. Today's price is $20.49. We have a total of 32 shares in this one and it's down right now $6.21. And then this TXF is just the covered call ETF. So it also has tiny stocks in there. As of today, the price is $13.56. We have a total of 87 shares in this one, and this one is really down. It's really down, but I really like this one. If you check this one, let's take a look at this one. The yield is very good. Like it yields 13.68%. So I really like that. I'm not selling this one anytime soon. And then next we have the VDY, is the Canadian High Dividend Yield Index. So today the price is $40.70. We have 25 shares of this one, and it's also down 7.59%. Next is the VEE. Today's price is $32.43. We have 14 shares of this one and it's also down 17%. And then lastly, VUN. VUN is the US total market. So every single stock that is in the US stock market is present in this one. For today is $70.83 and we have 35 shares of this. Right now it's down 5.70%. Here we have $67.68 to trade. And today I'll be doing something very exciting. I haven't added money into this account for some time, but I added $50 recently, but I haven't done anything with it. But today I have $500 to add into this account. So I'll show you just how easy it is to add money. All I just need to do is to click on this add button here. And then it brings up the account, my personal account that we've already added to this account here with Wealthsimple. So it's already there. and then it shows me what I have available in here. So I just put $500 here. I just do continue. It tells me to confirm. I say yes, everything looks good. So I'll just say confirm, and just like that, I have $500 trade. So when I go here, it doesn't show it here, but if I just do refresh, now it has it. So what I'll do is I'll put 200 in here. So let's go buy $200 worth of this one. Make sure it's on buy. Make sure it's in the right account. Market buy. And then I just put, let's say, I want to buy 200 of this. So let's do 9. It tells me how much the 9 would cost. If I do 10, 10 is just a little over my budget there, but I'll just go with it since it's just $4.90. So I'll do buy. So I just do next. I say continue. Then it tells me to confirm my order. I confirm, and that's it. I have 10 more shares of Ryokan. Although it might not show right now just because market is closed, but at least I know I have bought it. So that's great. Then I go back to my portfolio here. Go back to TFSA. So it tells me I have this left. This one is really down. So let's buy another 200 of this one. I guess I'll just do 200 and then 100. So let's buy $200 worth of this one again. So again, it's on buy. It shows me the account, TFSA, market buy. Let's see what 10 would do for me. I think I'll just do 10. 10 would be $135.60. Yeah, so let's do that. All right, so we have 10 more shares of the TXF. So let's go back again. So back in TFSA, we now have $209 left. So the rest of it I'll be putting in VDY. Again, it's on buy, it's on the right account, market buy. So let's see if we can do 5 of this. 5 should work if it allows. Let me see. Oh, it tells me I don't have enough. Let's do 4 of this. 162. Yeah, let's do 162. Confirm and done. It's really easy to buy stocks on Wealthsimple, guys. You may want to look into Wealthsimple if you're looking for a brokerage account to set up. So back to TFSA again. Do we still have any more cash? We only have $38 left. So I'm just going to leave that there till when the market opens. So let's go over to RRSP. We also have some money to put into that one. So for the RRSP, we're putting in 1,000 today. And the reason why we decided to put money in here is because it really helps on your taxes. It helps to reduce the net amount owing for taxes. So I'm just going to click the add button here again, just the same way. It already has our accounts put in here, and I'll just do 1,000. Oh, it's telling me that the deposit is taking longer than usual. Oh well, I guess I don't know why that is. Maybe because the market is closed or something. But I'll just have to let me check if I refresh it if something happens. Oh, it's already there. So that's $1,000 available to trade. And since we only want to keep this one stock here, I'm just going to put everything in here. So it's on buy, it's on RRSP, market buy. Let's see how many shares we're able to buy with 1,000. Let's try 16. It's too much. Let's try 15. 15 should work. So let me buy 15 shares of this. And that's it. So easy to buy stocks on this platform here. So that is it for this portfolio here. We're done with RRSP and TFSA. And can you see that the amount increased? It was 6,000 something earlier. I can't remember, but now it's 8,000 something. So that's it for this portfolio. Let's move over to mine. We'll be doing the exact same thing on my account as well. Okay, so we're in my own account now, like we did earlier for my husband's account. It welcomes you, shows you these different tabs. I'll just head straight to the stocks, ETFs, and crypto. So here it tells me that we have $7,791.73 in this account, in our Personal account is still empty. RRSP has just one position. CFSA has 10 positions. So let's start with RRSP here. The position we have here is VFV. The exact same thing with the one we had on the other side. It's still the S&P 500. For this one, the price for today is $92.80. We have 8.1553 shares of this, and it's down 5%. And then we go to TFSA. It says we have $7,034.91. Let me show you what we have in this portfolio. Right now we have AQN. AQN has been taking a hit, guys. It's so down, 49%. I might be buying some of AQN today. Let's see. Next, we have Bell Canada is down 4%. CIBC is down 24%. I really want to buy this one today. BFN is down 7%. EIT is down 8%. Enbridge is down 4%. ENS is down. Oh, it's up actually, up 57%. Oh, I wish it's up 0.57%. Power is down 15%. SRU is another REIT, guys, and this one is down 10% right now. And then TD Bank is down 6%. We are going to do the same thing on this account here. We're going to add 500. I added $50 the other day, and then the rest of it is dividend. So this one already shows me our account here. I'm just going to add 500. I don't know why it's so slow today. It usually takes it like a few seconds, but let me see if I refresh it, if it has added money there. Yeah, the money is there now. So let's get to buying. The first one that I want to buy here is CM. That's the CIBC. It's down 24%. And I really like this stock. So I'm going to buy, let's do 200 of this one. The stock right now is $54.35. So 200, let's see what 4 can do for us. It's a little over. So let's just do it. Let's buy 4 of that one. And done. Then we go back. We're still on the TFSA. So let's do, I'm coming to AQN soon, but let me see what else. Like I mentioned, I like to buy stocks that are really down. I love this power. So let's buy power. Let's do $100 for power. Yeah, we can do 3 of this. So 3, it says, is estimated at $96.99. So let's do that one. We move back again to TFSA. We still have $246. We have a little more, but it's keeping that in case by the time the market opens tomorrow, the prices have changed a little bit. So it's keeping a little buffer for that. So let's see, we've bought CIBC, we've bought power. Let's do this REITs here. It's also really down. And for REITs, let's throw in another 100. Let me see how many of that we can buy. If I buy 4, that'll be one of, let's just do 4. 4 is fine. So we're adding 4 shares to the REITs on this side today. So that's done. We can still do one more, I think. We should still have like 100 and something left. So we still have $134 left. What should we do? I'm honestly conflicted about this AQN. I want to put money in there, but the news around this company right now is not very great. But I'm still going to risk it. I want to buy more of AQN. Let's see. Let's do 100. Exactly. So 100 would be 11 shares. Let's just do it because I really like the company. It's just that the news right now is not palatable. I still have faith in the company. So I'm just going to put 100 in there. And let's go back and see if we can still do anything with the rest of the money. We have $29 left. 29.61. We can buy TD. I'm just going to leave that in there for now. Then I'll come back when the market opens. So let's go to RRSP to go buy 1,000 worth of that share in there as well. So again, I click on add, and then I add how much I need. And this money we're putting into the account today is coming from the group savings that I have been talking about all year. I've gone over this group savings a million times on what to do with the money, how to spend it, and all of that. But we eventually decided on what to do. But we put $3,000 in our investment, and that is what we feel is best for us for now. So let's refresh and see if the $1,000 is there. Yes, it's there. So I'm just going to buy just this one. It's on buy, it's on RSP, market buy. So we can do 10. Hopefully it goes through. Let's see. Yeah. So we can buy 10 of this one. And that's it. Hi friends, so this is me from the future. The market is open now. It's 8:20 a.m. I just want to check that all the orders that I made yesterday has been filed and completed, and then I want to also check if there's any change left over to buy anything else. So I'll come here to the stocks. I'll head straight to the RRSP. All right, so it shows me that I only have $54 left, and now we have 25 shares bought. So I'm going to buy fractional shares with the rest of this money. I'll just click on the stock, it's on buy, and this is the TFSA that I want to buy. Oh, yes, that is the thing. So guys, you always need to be sure that it's on the right account. So this is supposed to say RRSP. So I need to change that to RRSP. So I'm just going to put this exact amount here so that I can buy with the rest of the money here. I don't know if it's going to let me buy it because it's exactly this amount, but let me try. It says the order will be filled by the end of the trading day. I wonder why that is. The stock market is open right now, isn't it? Oh well, I'll just let it go because I know the stock market is open, and the RSP purchase that I made yesterday has already been filed. So I'm just going to confirm and allow it to its thing. So I go back to my portfolio. So currently we have $1,664.05 in this RRSP account. Let's move on to the TFSA as well to see. And this is my husband's account, guys. So just so you know, so in the TFSA, it tells me we have $67.08 to trade. So I want to use that for the real can. So I just click on the real can here. It's on buy, it's on TFSA. And let me see if I can do three stocks. Yeah, so let's do 3 stocks of the real can. And that's it. So the TFSA now says we have $6,350.16. So that's fine. We're done with this one. Let's move over to my own account. So now we're in my account here. It welcomes me like usual, and then I just click on the stocks. So I'll check the RRSP first. Okay, so the stocks that we bought yesterday has been filed, so that's great. So let's use the rest of the $75 to buy some fractional shares in this one as well. So I'm just going to put the rest of the $75 in here. Let me see if I can use every single cent. So $75.01. Let's see if it would go through. It's saying the same thing for the RRSP. I don't know why, but I'm just going to confirm that. So now in the RRSP, we have $1,753.65. Please don't pay attention to this one. It hasn't adjusted. This is not true by any means. So let's go on to the TFSA and see what we have there. So it says we have $53.98 to trade this one. I just want to put the rest in AQN. Let's see how much of that we can buy. It looks like we'll be able to buy just 5. So I'm doing buy, next, continue, confirm order, and done. So now it says that this TFSA has $7,552.54. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm not a financial guru or financial advisor by any means. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. So please don't take my word for it. Do your own research. Investing is really great. No matter how little you have, just put in a little per time and you watch your investments grow. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. God bless.